So it's the weekend after the Leeds Cruise, and just for a change, never done this before, I've come down with the Leeds Cruise guys, or some of them, and we've come down to Doncaster, about 30 mile away from Leeds, for the Doncaster show event. So I'm just going to have a little walk around. Have to say I've never been before ever, so I just thought I'd show you what there is. So a little walk around and see what's what. This guy here is part of the Leeds Cruise guys who I've come down with. The Mustang there is. The white XR3i there, that's mine. You want to go to Leeds Cruising all the time. He's part of the Leeds Cruise. Custom vehicle there. Little Hyundai Pony, don't see many of them. This guy was at the Leeds Cruise the last week, I think it was. Another Leeds Cruise guy. This is Andy, the organiser.
Next weekend I'm in Coventry all weekend.
So basically most of them there are part of the Leeds Cruise, lot who I've just come down with. So this is held at the View Cinema in Doncaster car park. As I say, I have to say I've never been in this particular one before, but it's not as big as the Leeds Cruise, but there's some nice stuff.
Oh my god, look at that one.
A little bit of everything for anybody, modern and classic. Nice little MG there in British Racing Green. Rat rod, I think they call these. That's nice, is that Trans Am. That's very smoky in the bandit. Yes, what a nice thing that is.
Yes, that is beautiful, isn't it? See the short one? Yeah. This is what mine ours is based on. That's like something like that. Yes, I know. But it was as close as I could get with that Land Rover.
This guy goes to the Leeds Cruise as well. I see him every now and again. I see him at the Motorist Hub as well, actually. This little Alpina. Old and new Mustang there. Even older Mustang. Nice Scirocco there. Do a nice looking car, actually. Oh, that's nice, is that? That's lovely, is that? That is absolutely immaculate. There isn't, looking at it, not even a blemish on it. So as I say, it's not as big an event as the Leeds Cruise, but I had nothing on tonight, so I thought, you know what, have a wander down with the Leeds guys, and yeah. It's a nice thing. kit car for sale. £6.5 grand. To be fair, it's a nice looking thing actually. Scooby. And there we have it. That is the Doncaster Cruise, if you like, car meet event. Nice little event, as I say. They're all decent guys that come to these places. You tend not to get any idiots. So, and there you go.